Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. This is hot off the presses, Ipsy October 2018 Unbagging. I just went out to the mailwoman actually, to get this from the mailbox. She just dropped it off. It was supposed to be here yesterday. I'm not sure what happens, but this one came from Fort Worth, Texas, and it went to Compton, and it stayed in Compton for 4 days. And Compton is like an hour and a half away, so I'm not sure what the deal is, but it is finally here. At least it's not a whole month late like last month because of the hurricane, and now we have a new hurricane that I have friends that are in Panama City Beach and haven't heard from them the entire time, so I'm hoping and praying that they're okay. And for all of you out there that if you're anywhere near Florida, I'm praying for you as well. Okay, so this is the bag. It's kind of an orangey red, don't you think? It's cute though. It has like a masquerade mask embossed into it. It's floral. Like that. It has a little black Ipsy plastic, not like a metal thingy right there. I know of 2 items in here, but I can't remember the other one. So one is of course a brush, and that's the first thing that's popping out right there. So I love brushes, and I think I have this brush, or I have something like this brush. I love brushes, and I don't ever use them. I literally use, I think, 4 brushes, and they're like ancient. Oh no, that's a lie. I've been using that velvet spongy thing that I thought was gross and disgusting and wouldn't use it and felt weird from the Ipsy bag. I used my points from last month, and I love it. I don't like the other sponges like the Beauty Blender, but this one, it's like a crushed velvet kind of thing, and it really presses in the makeup pretty nicely. So I'll have to like share that with you guys. But anyway, this is a brush. It's pretty. It's purpley, blue ombre at the end, little tiny green diamonds in the head there. Who is it by? SLMissglam. SLMissglam L50. I think it was a blending brush or something like that. So I remember that. I know there's one other thing in here that I was really excited to try because I've never tried it before. And that would not be it. What is this? This is Ultra Repair Cream. I can't tell who it's from though. Oh, Fab First Aid Beauty. Oh, I think I've heard that. First Aid Beauty is Fab. Okay. Intense hydration for dry, parched skin. Safe for sensitive skin. I don't know if you can hear the planes, but there's an air show going on. It doesn't say. It says apply as needed from head to toe. So is it, I guess, lotion in general, maybe for your face too? I'm not sure. Anyway, First Aid Beauty. I'm not terribly familiar with First Aid Beauty, so I have seen the product though. And here is it. It's really thick. That's nice. I have bruises all over my body, so if you see bruises, you know, it used to be Kodiak right here. She was a biter, and now I've been having to give a lot of blood. And because I have lymphedema, they try not to give the blood on this side. They have to go over here. But look what happened. These are 2 attempts, and I'm just a wreck. I'm sick still, and it doesn't really have a smell, but it's nice and creamy. It's fine. And a little greasy, but it seems like it's absorbing nicely. Now she's going to try to get out as I'm doing a video. So let's move along. Nice big box. I don't know what it is. Cosmic Gangster blush. Oh, it's a blush. So is it by Cosmic Gangster? I don't know. Space Case Cosmetics. So it's a blush from Space Case Cosmetics in Cosmic Gangster. Oh, it's a nice size though. Look at that. No. Cody, come here. That's really pinky though. It's like almost fuchsia. Look at. She's smelling it. Come here. Up here. Up. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna have to hurry up because she's just gonna be a pest. Oh, but it's really buttery feeling. Really pinky. Not really a good for right now, right? Well, it's doesn't like. I rubbed my finger quite a bit. Cody! Sorry, you guys. We had a storm and she's been acting up ever since then. I don't know. It's really pinky for the season, right? Don't you think? But whatever. It's fine. Now I got it on my finger. Okay, so what else? Oh, here's the theme. who said nights were for sleep? Not me, because I never sleep. I literally am having to spackle the bags under my eyes, are so bad. Okay, here's Nomad, Stockholm, pigment. I don't know. Oh, it's cruelty-free though, that's nice. The little bunny there, that means it's cruelty-free. And now the cat is going to interrupt, my grand cat Jack. It's just been a crappy couple weeks. And now he's gonna interrupt the whole time. And that is because they're just like all unnerved because of the storm that we had. I can only imagine how other parts of the country are doing. That's really a fuchsia, not fuchsia, a deep purpley. When you look at it like this, it's much darker. So there we go. That's nice, it goes on well. It doesn't seem very patchy. So those two colors look great together. So maybe, okay, so here's the last thing. And this is the thing I really wanted to try. I've never tried MAC before. I'm positive. But this is called Lipglass by MAC. The color, is that the color Lipglass, or is that the type of product it is Lipglass? I don't know. I'm not familiar. I've only seen like the tube lipsticks by MAC, so, and they look to be really matte. Oh my god, I can't open this. Okay, let's not interrupt mommy, okay? I have no idea what color this is. Okay, here. Lovechild. Okay, so that's right up my alley. So I'm assuming that lip glass would mean like a lip gloss, right? So I just have a lip balm on right now. You know, these all really match. Oh, now she's messing with the camera. It smells really good. So yeah, that matches everything. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you all soon. Sorry for all the interruptions. It's crazy around here, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.